Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on KeyBank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in key.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for KeyBank. Now, right at the home page, you will be able to see a sign on button. So just go ahead and click on it, and this will take you into the login portal. Now all that's left to do is type in your credentials. So just go ahead and type in your user ID followed by your password. Then click on the sign on button and you will be logged into your account with KeyBank. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the problem signing on button and you will be able to reset your login credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with KeyBank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.